Okay, so guys, it's part 2 English. So, okay, let's start. Number 1. Which of the following famous foreign scientists built an improved telescope? A. Galileo Galilei, B. Elaine Pascal, C. Skydersky, or D. Thomas Edison. So what's the answer? Answer is D. Thomas Edison. 2. Which of the following did Thomas A. Edison invented the wheeler? A. Calculator, B. Electric fan, C. Telescope, D. Telephone. The answer is C. Okay, so number 3, number 2, the answer is C. Telescope. And number 3, he is a French mathematics and scientist known for creating the Pascaline and early calculator. A. Elaine Pascal, B. Alexander Graham Bell. Not Belly, it's Bell. Okay, so C. Gregorio Zara, D. Thomas Edison. The answer is Elaine Pascal. Number 4. Which of the following did Schuyler Wheeler, an American engineer, invented? A. Light bulb, B. Electric fan, C. Telescope, D. Telephone. The answer is B. Number 4 is B. Electric fan. Okay, so number 5. Alexander Graham Bell, a Scottish-born American, is credited with the first practitioner. A. Incubator, B. Telescope, C. Telephone, D. Bulb. The answer is A. Okay. Number 6. Dr. Fidel Mundo is and most recognized for creating the blank. A. Electric fan, B. Incubator, C. Telescope, D. Calculator. Tell me is the answer. The answer is B. And last but not least, okay, 7. Banana ketchup is a popular condiment for and adding flavor to Filipino meals. Ketchup was invented by A. Diosdado Banatao, B. Gregorio Zara, C. Fidel Mundo, D. Maria Rosa. Answer is A. Diosdado Banatao. Thanks for watching. Bye.